The spectre of Kashmiri Pandits being attacked and killed in Kashmir has risen again after the 1990s when the gruesome murder of Hindu Sarpanch Ajay Bharti Pandita in Anantnag took place yesterday. The killing has outraged the entire nation. This selective targeting of the Kashmiri Pandit community once again has been unleashed by a new Pakistan-backed jihadi front called Terror Resistance Front. This pack of Islamists are now preying on defenseless Democrats who are risking their lives for the nation to bring normalcy to Jammu and Kashmir, to start the political process, to make Jammu and Kashmir part of an integrated democracy that India is. The family of Ajay Pandita is in shock and believes that Pakistan-sponsored terrorists don't want their community to return to the valley according to the timing of this attack. And instead of naming and shaming these Islamists, actually, we have people questioning everything else. But tonight, on the News Hour, I want to invite both Sheen Pandita, who is the sister of Ajay Pandita Bharti, and his father, Dwarkanath Pandita. नमस्कार, मैं तहे दिल से इस देश की तरफ से आपको सहानुभूति पेश करती हूँ। अजय भारती पंडिता आपका बेटा, आपका भाई नहीं था, सिर्फ इस देश का बेटा था, इस देश का बेटा था।
मैम, वो मेरे पापा थे।
आपके पापा थे और आज आपने पापा अपने खोए हैं। शीन, मैं एक बच्ची का दिल समझती हूँ। मैं एक बच्ची का दिल समझती हूँ जिसके सिर पर से अपने पिताजी का साया उठ गया। उन्होंने अपना नाम भारती रखा था। क्या बताते थे वो आपको कश्मीर के बारे में?
मैम, actually he always used to say, Mummy, actually you always used to say me like that he loves Kashmir. Not only Kashmir, in fact he loves India. भारती नाम रखने का मतलब सिर्फ इतना नहीं था कि वो कश्मीर के थे या फिर he was a Hindu. No, because he loved India, he loved our Hindustan. वो हमेशा मुझसे कहते थे that Sheen, you are born in that country जहाँ पता नहीं कितने कितने वीर पैदा हुए हैं. You have no idea and you have to be one of them. And today I am proudly saying my father is one of them. I am really proud of my father. Yeah, as I am his daughter, so I must be devastated because as I know my father is no more. But जो नारे आज मैंने सुने that अजय भारती अमर रहे, अजय भारती अमर रहे, I really didn't feel at a little second that my father is not alive. I felt my father everywhere. Everywhere I felt my father. He was everywhere. His name was everywhere. He made his family so much proud. He made his family the name Shaheed. Sacrifice. वो हर एक के आगे नहीं लग पाता है, बट मेरे फादर के आगे लगा. उन्हें मरा हुआ नहीं कह रहे हैं, उन्हें शहीद कह रहे हैं, जो कि ना which is very proudful for an Indian citizen. My father, I have reached 19, so जितनी भी लाइफ मैंने अभी तक काटी है, I haven't seen anyone like my father, no one, because as the Kashmiri Pandits, because they were उन्हें निकाला गया था कश्मीर से. बहुत लोग नफरत करते थे मुस्लिम से, बहुत लोग नफरत करते थे कश्मीर से. बट मैं एज यूजुअल मुझे अपनी हिस्ट्री थोड़ी बहुत जो मुझे अपने फैमिली से जानने को मिली है, तो आई ऑलवेज यूज टू आस्क माई फादर, पापा मुस्लिम्स बुरे हैं क्या, मतलब कश्मीर अच्छा नहीं है क्या, वहाँ जाना सेफ नहीं है क्या? एंड ही यूज टू से मी लाइक, शीन, नेवर जज एनीवन बाय इट्स रिलीजन, नेवर एवर. The best religion is humanity, My father never served anyone on the basis of caste, creed, color, anything, race, never. He was always there to help each and every person. He doesn't believe that he belongs to me, so yes, I should help him because he belongs to me. Oh, I should not help him because he doesn't belong to me. No, never ever. He never did it.
And Sheen, what did he think about the abrogation of Article 370?
Any person.
What did he think about that?
Article 370. Ma'am, if I say frankly, like Article 370, he was not that much like, सच कहूँ मेरे पापा को ना articles, as my father was in Congress party, but he never mentioned that I am a Congressee, so I have to do this, so I am a Congressee, so I have to, no. He never. He said wherever you go, whether you are in BJP, you are in AAP, wherever you are, what you have to do is right. My father said, when I will die, don't judge me by I am a Congressee. Judge me by my work. Judge me by my work, but that I have served the people of India, that I have served the people of Kashmir, whether they were Muslims, Hindus, Pandits, no matter. And Article 370, I asked my father, Papa, Article 370 na hat gaya. He said, so what? Hat gaya. No problem. It was an article. Hat gaya. There will be somewhere, there will be development now. किसी को बुरा लगेगा, किसी को अच्छा लगेगा. No problem. India will be developed. I will be happy. If anything will happen, any bad, I will be there to serve. He always used to say that. He doesn't give anything about the article, the politics, anything. No. He was not that kind of person. My father was a different person. He was out of the galaxy. He was like that.
Sheen, today, not just your father, not just your grandfather, your mother, but the whole country is proud of you. Sheen, you are the symbol of a brave daughter who's proud about her father, the work that he did, the way he believed in humanity, the way he's taught his children. And today, yes, he is around. He is all around us.
Because my father was brave, man. I am his child.
Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. And you are the pride of India. You are the pride of India because you know the value of life. Sheen, you know the value of life, and a life...
Value of life, ma'am. The value of life, ma'am, can I say something like about the value of life? The thing is, some people, like, if I talk, yes, I will obviously talk about my father because in my eyes, he's the hero. Obviously,
in everybody's
he's the hero,
eyes.
not only because he's my father, now because he is the Shaheed of Hindustan.
Yes,
he has served this country. He was the son of India.
He is the son of India.
My father,
not was.
My father was a great person. My father is a great person, ma'am.
Yes, Sheen.
And of course, you know, whenever there is a lion in any jungle, the shikaris know that lion ko na akela kuch ho nahi sakta. So shikaris have to do the jal thing and all. They have to kill him to stop him because they know एक शेर आया है जंगल में जो सबको ना यहाँ सबकी ऐसी तैसी कर देगा, सब सही कर देगा यहाँ पे. And my father, he was a brave, निडर थे वो. He never get कि obviously my father was a sarpanch and he was a Hindu. He was a Hindu in Kashmir. Obviously उनको कितनी threats मिलती होगी. मैंने पूछा है पापा से, मैं पापा को threats कितनी मिलती रहे. I will do whatever. Why I am born, I will prove it. And why you are born, Sheen, you will also prove it because you are my daughter. Don't disappoint me, and I will never ever disappoint him. And my father's dream was development of Kashmir, and no, nothing can stop us going back to Kashmir. Nothing. We are not afraid of anyone. My father was brave. I am brave. I am in front of this channel. I'm saying proudly my father was a great person and nothing can stop me from going back to Kashmir. That's my Kashmir. That's our Kashmir. Kashmiri Pandits are there. The Kashmir belongs to the Kashmiri Pandits. and discuss to the people who did it, who did this disgusting thing to my father, because he served them, and whoever done this, he will not get a space even in the hell, because he didn't know what a pure soul he was, what a great person he was. कितनों के दिल के शेर थे वो, कितनों की आंखों के तारे थे वो, क्या थे वो. But let me tell one thing, I am his daughter. I'm not afraid of anyone. Like he was the lion, I am also the lion. Not afraid of anyone. अगर किसी को ये लगता है ना that he had killed my father, that family will be devastated. No, they didn't know that. There are so many pillars, there are so many lions behind him. My grandfather, me, my sister, my uncle, मेरी बुआ, मेरी चाची जी, सब. We all are lions. No one can stop us, and we are not afraid of anyone.
Well, Sheen, I stand up today and I really want to fold my hands and bow my head. I want to salute you, Sheen, because this bravery, this emotion is not something.
Salute my father, ma'am, because he deserves it.
Yes, he
Salute
does.
my father. Yes,
he
I will
does.
make my
The country
father proud
salutes
when
him,
it will
and
be my time.
he was not. We will never call him Ajay Pandita was. We will say Ajay Pandita
and
is.
Really,
Is India's son.
Social media, on the social media, I saw those people who wrote about my father, who gave blessings to my father, to his soul. I'm really heartily thankful to those person who जिन्होंने मेरे पापा को श्रद्धांजलि दी. बहुतों से तो वो मिले भी नहीं होंगे, बहुतों के लिए उन्होंने कुछ किया भी नहीं होगा. Of course, I can make you assure, अगर उनकी और जिंदगी होती ना तो वो सबके लिए कुछ करते, because मेरे पापा अपने लिए नहीं जीते थे, वो जीते थे सब लोगों के लिए. हाँ, मैं नहीं कहती मेरे पापा खुद के लिए नहीं, वो मस्त मौला इंसान थे जिन्हें या तो सबकी पड़ी थी या तो किसी चीज की नहीं पड़ी थी, सिर्फ सही करने की पड़ी थी. He was a मस्त मौला person, a person with full joy, with full fun, with full family, who was able to take the responsibilities of everyone, ready for everyone, never gets afraid of anyone.
And yes, Sheen.
And I will be like him.
Yes. You will be like him, and you will be the pride of India, just like your father is. Pride of India. He stood for the democratic process, and he laid down his life.
And of course, ma'am, I want to share one thing, that on social media, as I saw the persons who give Shraddhanjali to my father, there were some also they were using such a bad things about my father. Like I read somewhere there was something wrote about, oh, Kashmiri Pandit, no Kashmiri Pandit can rule us, acha hua, ye hua, wo hua. Let me tell you one thing, dude. If you think that Ajay Bharti is gone and no Kashmiri Pandit, we Kashmiri Pandits, we are not here to rule any person. We are not that kind of mentality, okay? We are not. My father was not there to rule. My father was not there to like do the Hitler things. No, not a way. He was there to serve. Firstly, I want to make you one thing clear. I will not hear anything bad about my father. I can do anything for my father, whether it is a murder. I'm not afraid of anyone. If my father is Shaheed, give him respect. If you can't, then stop talking. I am not here to listen to you. I'm not really willing. But thanks to those people who give Shraddhanjali to my father, really kindly, humbly, I'm thanking to you.
Yes, Sheen. Yes, Sheen. This country stands by you and salutes your father. Dwarkanath Pandita ji, मैं आपसे क्या कहूँ, इस बच्ची ने आज इस देश को वो संदेश दिया है जो अब मेरे हिसाब से किसी ज्ञानी मानी ने ऐसा नहीं कहा होगा, जो दिल को छू जाए. आज इस बच्ची ने राह दिखाई है. उम्मीद करते हैं कि कश्मीर में, भारत में, पूरे देश में हर इंसान जो अपनी राह से भटक गया है, आज इस बच्ची की बातों की वजह से अपनी राह ढूंढ ले. और वो जो कहते हैं, जैसे शीन ने कहा कि कश्मीरी पंडित कभी वापस लौट कर नहीं आएंगे कश्मीर में, वो आएंगे, वो किसी से डरेंगे नहीं. शीन की हिम्मत और शीन जिस तरह से अपने सिर उठा के खड़ी है अपने पिता की वजह से, ये सबको हौसला देगा और सबको आगे लाएगा। द्वारकानाथ जी, हम देश में आपका गम कम तो नहीं कर सकते,
one thing?
हम आपका गम कम तो नहीं कर सकते द्वारकानाथ पंडित जी, लेकिन हम आपके साथ खड़े हैं। द्वारकानाथ जी, आप कैसे याद करते हैं अपने बेटे को? आप
मैम
2 शब्दों में बता दें।
मैंने ज़िंदगी में एक ही बात देखी है कि मेरे बच्चे जो हैं, जिस बच्चे को संस्कार, सबसे बड़ी बात होती है संस्कार, वो संस्कार मैंने अपने बच्चों को दिए हैं। जो शीन है ये मेरे साथ जब इस वक्त 19 ईयर्स की है, ये मेरे साथ रही है। मैंने इसको भी वही संस्कार दिए हैं जो भारतीय एक बच्चे के होने चाहिए, क्योंकि भारत के संस्कार, भारत ने संसार को हर संस्कार दिए हैं। संसार ने भारत को कुछ नहीं दिया है। अब मेरा
द्वारकानाथ जी, आपकी इस जज्बे की कदर करता है ये देश, और जो संस्कार आपने दिए हैं अपने बेटे को और अपनी पोती को, वो संस्कार हम उम्मीद करते हैं इस देश को कुछ सबक सिखाएंगे, और सिर्फ इस देश को नहीं, पड़ोसी देश को भी कुछ सिखाएंगे कि इस तरह चोरों की तरह किसी शेर का कत्ल नहीं हो सकता। आप एक शेर मारोगे, हम 10 शेर, 100 शेर, 1000 शेर पेश करेंगे, क्योंकि भारत माता के पास शेर पुत्रों की कमी नहीं है, शेर बच्चों की कमी नहीं है। Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget Sheen's words. That is all that we owe to this brave son's daughter.